What's up, everybody? Let's make some fried wings on this episode. Let's get started. So, here I am. This is the pack of wings that I am using. I'm showing you guys the price and everything. It was in my freezer. I defrosted overnight. Just let it sit outside till it got defrosted. And here I am going to show you guys how am I going to clean it up and wash it, season it from start to finish. So this is how I am prepping my wings. I do need to sharpen this knife. So I'm just cutting the wings in the drums and the flats. I'm going to try and get off any ear or any of those yellow stuff that you normally see on the chicken. I like to get that off as well as the ear. The next technique you can use is like burn the chicken and the ear will just fall off. So here I'm just cleaning it as best as I can before I washed it. I'm showing you guys. So I'm showing you guys that I am cleaning it up. Like, this is a very tedious process, but I want my food to be clean, knowing that I'm going to be eating it. I want to make sure I'm ingesting something that is cleaned properly and cooked properly. So you guys can see some of those little yellow things on the cutting board. As well, I'm examining the meat and just making sure that I've gotten off all the stuff that I want to get off. Here I'm showing you guys, I don't know exactly what this is, but every time I'm cleaning my meat, I always check for it and make sure I cut it out, because for me personally, I don't want to be eating that. Yes, it's going to be cooked and whatever it is might die, but I just like to cut it out as well. So I'm showing you guys that step as well. As I said, this is a very tedious process. So I'm showing you guys what it is. I don't want to be eating that, so that's all the scraps that I'm going to throw in the garbage. And then I'm going to start on washing my meat. Here I have some lemon, and I'm just squeezing that on it, and then I'm going to go in with some vinegar as well. And then I'm going to go in with some cold water, and I'm just going to wash these stuff, these chicken wings. People, just wash your meat, okay? Okay, let's wash the meat, because you don't know how they package this stuff. I clean my bowl, and after I wash my meat, and then I put them back in it. So to make sure that the bowl is clean, the chicken wings are clean, is just so much better and healthier for you guys, because you don't want to be ingesting those worms and in your stomach or the bacteria. You don't. I mean, I'm going to put a description of the seasoning in the seasoning in the description. So I did drizzle some olive oil on it, and then I'm going in with my seasoning. The seasoning will be in the description, and this was sitting for about 6 to 5 hours before I cooked it. So these were well marinated before I fried them. So I'm showing you guys they're seasoned, and then I'm going to cover it and put it in the fridge. So here I am. I'm about to get ready to fry my chicken. I just got a Ziploc bag, put it with flour and with some of the same seasoning that I used earlier to season the chicken. and that's it. I don't use egg. I used to use egg, but then I stopped, so it's just flour, and coat it in the flour, and then to the oil. Sometime I will do the flour, then dip it in a ice cold water bath, and then back to the flour. I normally do that as well, but today I didn't do that. But you guys can try that method as well. So here I am frying my chicken wings in my dachi, and you still get crispy fried chicken here without using the egg. Or you can do the flour to the ice cold water bath, drip it off properly, then back to the flour, and then let it sit, then to the oil. So what I'm doing here, once my oil is heated up, I do about 5 minutes on each side. So I'm rotating them. So I do 5 minutes on one side, and I flip them, do a next 5 minutes, then flip them again, do a next 5 minutes. So I'm giving them about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. You can do this for bigger pieces of chicken, but this is chicken wings, so it might not need an entire 15 to 20 minutes to be cooked. So this is the first batch I am getting out. And you just want to maintain the temperature of your oil so your chicken can fry evenly. You don't want to overcrowd your pot as well. Comment down below how you guys fry your chicken. Do you do egg and flour? Do you just do flour? Or do you do the flour with the ice water bath? Comment down below and let me know. So this is my second batch I'm going in with. I'm doing like 7 to 8 pieces at a time. So these are the first batch I'm showing you guys. To maintain that crispiness, you want to put it on a wire rack or something for it to drain in, so you're not losing that crispiness. We're going to have it with some yellow rice as well. So yeah, but you want to get a wire rack so all the oil can drip off and you're not losing that crispiness. Because look at this, look at these chicken wings. And we served it up with our yellow rice with mixed veg and some lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. So yes, we served it up with the sauce. Sauce is optional, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on all social media at Yaadi Girl Flavor. Bye.